Welcome back, subscribers and visitors. Thank you for stopping by. Today, we are going to get right back at this flower bed. You know, not my first priority, but it has to be done. Today, I am repotting some mums around the front step just to add a little color. But don't fret, I'm not throwing these away because look at those roots. Look at these bulbs. They're perfect for the next season, so I will be saving those, and I will be putting them back in the ground actually, because they will hibernate over the winter and come back every year as they have done for the past 20 years. So let's get this pot ready. I'm going to reuse this soil. I'm just going to turn it over a little bit, put my mum in, and put the soil right back in. What can be reused will be used. I'm just going to make sure I go through this soil and pull out any roots. I don't want to leave any roots behind. And I'm also going to pull out any debris that may have fallen in there. Make sure we got a clean start. This plant looks very healthy. It's not root bound or anything. I'm just gonna get this dirt in here and add a little plant food and water to it. Give it a good fighting chance. Perfect size pot because as this mums grows, it will start to fill out and it will look beautiful in this pot. That's what we're hoping for. Okay, so now we're gonna gather everything and move over to the other side of the step, and we're gonna do the same thing with this pot. Make sure that we add this pop of color so it does make the flower bed look like there's something going on here. There's somebody living here and somebody cares. Honey, let me tell you, that sun has snuck up on me again and it is beaming on my back and my head. But I'm determined I'm going to get this other mums in here and then I'm going to call it a day. I really do like planting the mums because they are extremely low maintenance. You plant them, you let the rain water them, and then occasional hot days you go out and put a little bit of water in, but that's pretty much it. They're low maintenance, they're beautiful, they add a pop of color, but mostly if I'm to be honest, this is one plant that the deer don't seem to bother. So out here in the open in the front yard in front of the step, I don't want them critters coming around here. I love the deer, I love to look at them, but I don't want to keep buying them flowers to eat. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, honey, so here we are back to these bulbs. Like I told you, I have reused these bulbs over and over. They're all throughout this flower bed. And these are just some that I had dug up when they were first coming to life and put in those pots, so I didn't have to buy something else to put in those pots because they were beautiful. They're burgundy, and I love them. And they did match what was going on in the theme of the flower bed at the time. So I'm going to put these back to rest, back in their safe space, which is back in the ground, so they can hibernate and come back in the springtime. I just found what was hindering my little shovel. I don't throw away my rocks. I love them too. I think they add a special element to any garden. So I let them hang around. I like to look at them. Call me strange, but it is what it is. There it is, guys. A little pop of color on each side of the step. Yeah, I like it. I think it's worth the $5 I paid for it. Now I get to go in the house because that sun was killing me. I'm telling y'all, that sun snuck up on me quick. Whew, but phase 2 complete. Sun almost got me again, y'all. But phase 2 done. Now all I gotta do is get some mulch, and then the flower beds are done, at least for the fall.